Can a £13.99 aloe vera plant really cut bathroom mold and energy bills? The battle against bathroom mold. As the cold season sets in, the dreaded bathroom mold becomes a common enemy for many families. Steamy showers and cold surfaces create the perfect environment for mold to thrive, leaving homeowners scrambling for solutions. But here's where it gets interesting. A budget-friendly solution. Enter the humble aloe vera plant, priced at just £13.99, which has sparked curiosity as a potential mold buster. While it's not a new concept, its recent popularity has raised questions. Can this plant really slash mold and energy bills by 30%? And is it a viable alternative to dehumidifiers? Understanding the science. Mold loves humidity, and bathrooms provide the ideal breeding ground. Hot showers, cold tiles, and poor ventilation create condensation, feeding mold growth. Dehumidifiers are effective but come with a cost, both financial and environmental. The aloe vera advantage: this succulent stores water in its leaves, tolerating steamy conditions. It acts as a natural moisture buffer, reducing microcondensation on nearby surfaces. But here's the catch: it's not a miracle worker. What aloe vera can and can't do. Benefits: placed near a steamy window, aloe vera can tip the balance against mold. It's low maintenance and provides modest, localized benefits. Limitations: it won't replace a dehumidifier's whole room moisture control. Expect a modest effect, and remember, it needs light to thrive. Maximizing aloe vera's potential. Placement is key. Put the plant on a bathroom windowsill or high shelf near the shower. Keep leaves away from direct spray to prevent water pooling. Additional tips. Use a saucer to protect surfaces and catch overflow. Pair with an open door after showers to release moist air. Rotate the plant for even growth and repot infrequently. Comparing solutions. Method: upfront cost, running cost, noise. Best 4 limitations. Aloe vera £13.99 non-silent local condensation control, modest effect, needs light, not whole room solution. Dehumidifier £150 to £300 28p/kWh low hum whole room moisture control, power use, maintenance, space required. Extractor fan upgrade £40 to £120 minimal low rapid steam removal, requires ducting and cleaning. Care and caution. Aloe vera is low maintenance, needing minimal water and sunlight. But keep it out of reach of pets and toddlers due to its irritant sap and spines. Performance expectations: a plant can help reduce local condensation but won't cure structural damp. For widespread mold, check for leaks and ventilation issues. Boosting aloe vera's impact. Daily habits to fight mold. Run the extractor fan and leave the door ajar after showering. Squeegee tiles to remove excess water. Maintain steady room temperatures to reduce condensation. Dry towels and laundry outside the bathroom. Aim for 40 to 60% humidity with a hygrometer for tracking. Why the rush for aloe vera? At £13.99, it's a low-risk investment. It adds greenery, reduces clamminess, and provides a practical gel for minor burns. The set-and-forget nature appeals to busy parents, offering a functional and cost-effective solution. Taking it a step further. Combine strategies for better results. Add a humidity timer to the fan, thermal film to windows, and seal gaps. Place the aloe near the steam source and track progress with a hygrometer. For renters, portable solutions like plants, squeegees, and door hooks are ideal. Sharing a house. Implement a bathroom rota to prevent mold buildup.